Hello everyone. Today we are starting about practical with brute force attack. What is brute force attack? A brute force attack is a cybersecurity threat where an attacker attempts to gain access to a system, network, or account by systematically trying every possible combination of passwords or encryption keys until they find the correct one. Here you can see a login page. Here we have the username and password as admin and password as password. Here if I enter the username and password correctly I will get a welcome message. Then a picture of the admin. By using this DVWA application we will learn how to test an application and how to use Burp Suite tool effectively. Here I am going to see this image. The interesting part is if you look into the address bar you can see the path where the image has been saved. It's an example of path traversal. If look in the source code you can see such a multiple address into specific locations. Here we found a location where all the images are saved. If you look carefully you will understand these are the user's images. And these images are saved with name of user who have account in this application. Finding username is difficult than finding the password. Here because of this mistake happened by the developer. It was easy for us to find the username. Here I am creating a word list with this username. Now we have to find common passwords for an attack. From GitHub we can find some common passwords. Or a better approach is these passwords are already in your Kali machine. Access the word list location like this. A lot of word lists are already available in our machine. As it is our first practical, we will go for DVWA security level as low. See how we are going to capture the request of DVWA application to the Burp Suite. Start Burp Suite Pro and check proxy is listening or not. See our proxy IP address. We have entered this IP into Foxy proxy add-on earlier. I have enabled the Foxy proxy. Now our communication will go to the Burp Suite through the proxy. Here I am enabling the intercept in the Burp Suite. This will block the communication happened from the application to the server. And we can manipulate the request using this feature. Here I am going to enter a username and password. And I will submit that form. We can see here the request have captured by the Burp Suite before reaching the server. Now to perform brute force attack we have to send this request to the intruder. Here in the intruder we can see the username and password ended is visible. At first I will show how to perform single field attack, which means here we are only focusing on password. The username is not been attacked. To highlight the field we are going to attack we should select that field and add this dollar symbol over there. And we are performing sniper attack, which means we are only targeting one field. After selecting the field and attack type, now we have to set the payload. Payload means the word list. Here I am pasting the payload which was copied from the word list which I have displayed earlier. Or you can type and add few passwords for the understanding. Here we can see the password attack is in progress. 50,000 passwords are been used to attack. Which means we are trying 50,000 passwords to a username called admin. If any password is correct we will get a successful login. Here I am clearing this attack because we can do it in an advanced way. I was just showing how it is working. After forwarding the previous request we have captured, I am entering the username and password once again. We can see here once the username and password is correct you will get a welcome message. That could be like welcome, login successful like that. If intercept is on, Burp Suite will always intercept our communication, so we have to forward to the server each time. I have captured the current request also. And forward to the intruder. Now we are going to attack both username and password together. Highlight the field where we are going to attack, that is username and password. Then after change the attack type to cluster bomb. That is to attack multiple targets. Sniper can be used only for one target. Advanced approach we will do is, we will set a grep match. Which means, we have seen a message welcome to password protected area admin, so we understand whenever a password is correct we will get welcome message. So I will add this word welcome to the grep match. So whenever a correct password is found we can identify that easily. Now it's a time for the payload. The first field we marked as the username, then we marked the password. So the first payload should be set for the username and second payload should be set for the password. We already found user's name and saved as a word list. After entering the username payload, locate this password payload S in the GitHub and copy it. After setting up all necessary values, it's time for attack. We can see here, wherever the grep match welcome message is matching, it is highlighting as 1. Which means we found the password. Whenever we enter a correct password as we will get a welcome message. That is what a grep match is matching with. And finally the attack is completed. Let us see what is a password of each users, wherever the grep matches marked as 1, is the correct password. To arrange the result correctly, we can click on this grep match tab. It will arrange the result which are matching all together. If we check the response, we can see the message saying welcome to password protect area. If you can't find any grep match string in the application, we should try to find unique values in length. Here we have organized the result with grep match 1 altogether. In the next video we will discuss about another type of attack.